Today I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most reliable way to install the Facebook Meta Pixel on your WordPress website. By the end of this video, you'll have your Meta Pixel working seamlessly, without messing around in the site's code, so you can start tracking visitors, optimizing your ads, and truly measure what's driving results for your business. So let's dive right in and get your site talking to Facebook the right way. First things first, we're doing this using the official Meta Pixel for WordPress plugin. If you're new to this stuff, don't worry. Using the plugin means you don't have to copy and paste any code or risk breaking anything on your website. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click into Plugins, then hit Add New. In the search box, type Meta Pixel for WordPress. You might see it listed as formerly Facebook Pixel. It's the same thing. When you spot the plugin, just click Install and then Activate. This is the digital equivalent of adding a new superpower to your website. Suddenly, you're all set up to connect your site with Meta's tracking tools easily and securely. Now with the plugin installed and activated, notice a new Meta Pixel option appears in your Settings menu. Click into Settings, then Meta Pixel. This is your control center where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll link your WordPress site directly with your Facebook account. To start the connection, hit Get Started. At this point, a pop-up may appear, prompting you to log into Facebook. If you ever worry about safety, rest assured, the plugin is designed and maintained by Meta itself, so you're in good hands here. Log into your Facebook account, and on the next screen, you'll need to select your business account. Take a brief moment here to be certain you choose the correct business, page, and the specific pixel or dataset you want connected to this website. It's a bit like making sure you're plugging the right HDMI cable into your TV. If you connect the wrong pixel, the data won't make it to the right dashboard later on. Once you've clicked through and made those selections, the plugin handles almost everything behind the scenes. Now there's one crucial setting you don't want to miss: Automatic Advanced Matching. Make sure to turn this on. Let me explain why this matters. Advanced matching allows Facebook to more intelligently recognize site visitors, matching them to real Facebook users whenever it lawfully can. This means your ads become more precise, your reporting gets sharper, and frankly, your ability to understand your audience goes up a whole notch. Especially moving into 2025, when privacy and tracking rules keep evolving, having this enabled future-proofs your setup. This part might take a few moments to process. Don't worry if the spinning wheel goes on for a bit. Once you see confirmation you're all set, your Meta Pixel is now running, and you're ready to start analyzing visitor actions and supercharging your Facebook marketing. And that's it. See, no code, no stress, and your site is ready to measure what matters most. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or run into any issues during setup, just drop a comment below. I read every one and I'm here to help. And for more how-to guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.